pan-fried salmon with rich, exotic, and creamy coconut lime sauce is an excellent idea for a quick lunch. Add some oil to the pan. Turn on the heat to medium. Season the salmon with salt, freshly ground black pepper. Turn it over. Season the other side as well. Okay, my pan is ready. I'm going to put the salmon. Turn it over. I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm going to transfer the salmon to a plate. I'm going to use the same frying pan, but I'm going to lessen the oil. Okay. I'm going to turn on the heat again. Add the garlic. And you just saute it for about a minute. Add the ginger, lemongrass, and you saute it on low heat for 5 minutes to release the aroma flavors of lemongrass and ginger. Add a chili garlic paste, and you continue mixing it for about 30 seconds. Add a coconut milk. Thai fish sauce. Add some fresh lime juice. Give it a good stir. Season it lightly with salt, just a little bit because we already put Thai fish sauce in it. You don't want to end up having a salty coconut lime sauce. Okay, last ingredient, chopped cilantro. Add some slices of lime, just about 4 to 6 slices, and you simmer it for 5 minutes. We're going to put our salmon fillet. And then you spoon over the coconut lime sauce on top of the salmon. And you simmer it for another 3 minutes. Turn up the heat.